Good day, ma'am and sir. My name is Rosella Arangka Karamat, 39 years old from Santa Fe, Nueva Vizcaya, Philippines. I am married and blessed with 2 children, ages 17 and 11. My educational attainment is college level. I work as a domestic helper in Singapore. I serve 4 family members including mom and sir and 2 children, ages 4 and 10. My main duties and responsibilities is taking care of the children, sending and fetching them to school, and cooking food for them. I am also responsible to do cooking, marketing, cleaning, ironing, washing clothes and dishes. I also work as a housemaid here in the Philippines. I serve 5 family members including mom and sir and 3 children, ages 5, 7, and 9. My duties and responsibilities is taking care of the children and cooking food for them. I am also responsible to do household chores like cleaning, cooking, ironing, washing clothes, and dishes. I want to work in Hong Kong to earn money for my family. To my future employer, if you hire me as your domestic helper, you can trust me to take good care of your family. Thank you and God bless.